Welcome into Taylor Kitchen. Today I'm really excited because we're going to make that viral chicken schnitzel with the salad on top, where you pound out some chicken breast and you coat it in crispy breadcrumbs and you saute it. I'm going to air fry mine because I don't want any mess, and that's much easier. And then you top it with a delicious salad. Usually it's a Caesar salad. Tim does not like Caesar salads, so we're going to go with a green salad with probably my favorite dressing. It's my lemon tahini dressing. So good, and it's also very easy to make. It's going to make a nice creamy dressing for the salad that we're going to put on top of that crispy chicken. So I have one chicken breast that I cut in half lengthwise, and I'm just going to pound this out as thinly as I can get it. Worked pretty well. I have it in a Ziploc bag just to reduce the mess. You can put it between a couple sheets of parchment paper if you wanted. And then you need to make an easy dredge, which I'm gonna crack an egg in one of these. You know, if you get a piece of shell, you can use the rest of the shell to pull it out. Nice trick. Give that a little whisk around. And to the other one, I'm going to add some panko. You can use whatever breadcrumbs you want. I love panko because they're just super crispy. And to that, I want some salt and pepper. A little salt. And then I'm going to add lemon zest to this. I just love brightness of lemon. So good. Okay, now we're ready to dredge. And I'm just going to pull out my thin chicken cutlets. I love that. So cool. Just dredge it there. I'm actually want to give it a little sprinkling of salt. Let the excess egg drip off, and then you're going to do the panko here, and then I'm going to get my other chicken cutlet, expertly coated. I'm going to put this down on a sheet of parchment. The parchment is going to go into my air fryer. Makes just for super easy cleanup, because I'll just pull the whole thing out. Let that egg drip off. And then this one also. Give it a nice dredging. Some panko with that lemon and salt and pepper. Super, super. That looks fabulous. Take those extra breadcrumbs, get them on there. I want this to be so incredibly crunchy. Now I'm going to put these in the basket of my air fryer and hope they will kind of sort of fit. I give them a drizzle of olive oil. You can see. Da-da-da. All right, I'm gonna put it back here in my Ninja Foodi air fryer, and I'm gonna guess this is gonna take about 10 minutes. Okay, while that's cooking away, let's make my lemon tahini dressing. It's so easy, so delicious. You're gonna love this, and it's probably gonna be on a regular rotation in your house. I have a jar of it in my fridge right now, but I'm making another one just for this so you can see how it's made. Whew, that lemon is zingy and bright. I love it, I love it, love it. So good. So I start by squeezing a lemon, step one. Then once the lemon is in here, you want to do equal parts of olive oil. A lot of people like to do a third of the acid or lemon or vinegar or whatever to 2/3 of olive oil, but I like it pretty even, Steven. I'm going to add just a little pinch of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then the tahini. The tahini is what makes this. It is so delicious and creamy and has that sesame flavor to it. Whoops. And this is a really good tahini. The oil is separating from the paste. Basically, it's kind of like a sesame nut butter, like a sesame butter. Why don't they call it sesame butter instead of tahini? I don't know. But I want to add a nice fat tablespoon of tahini in here. And then you're going to need a little bit of honey to sweeten it up. I'm going to add, that's probably about a teaspoon. If you like it sweeter, you can add more. And then just give it a really vigorous shake. This is going to take a really good shake because that tahini was pretty darn thick. The shaking will do the trick and it'll incorporate, it'll become so creamy and delicious. Did I do it? I think I might have done it. Let's get in here with a spoon and see. Oh yeah. Nice, nice, nice. You can see how creamy that is. And the taste, yum. Spectacular. Now we just need to whip up a very simple salad. The focus is on the chicken, so the salad can be super simple. And then we've got that creamy lemon tahini dressing. And I picked this head of lettuce because this was what I had in the fridge. You can use anything you want. Put my lettuce in the bowl. I think I want some little grape tomatoes, and I always like to have them lengthwise. I think they just look really pretty that way. And then a little bit of carrot. I had a purple carrot on hand, which I think is pretty cool. And what I'm going to do is peel it so it's in beautiful ribbons. It'll show up really pretty on the salad once you put it on top of that chicken. I'll get the external off. Even though these are organic, I typically do eat the skin when I buy organic carrots. And then just you have beautiful ribbons, like really long, beautiful ribbons. The middle of that carrot, it's kind of orange in the middle, yellow orange, and then this beautiful purple ribbon. Love that. I love it, love it. Okay, then just give your salad a little toss. Going to add some of the dressing and give it another little toss, and then we can save some of the extra dressing to just serve with if we feel like we need it. But less is more with dressing. You just want to barely coat the leaves of the salad, of the lettuces. So just give it a little toss, and honestly with your hands is the best. Clean hands, your best tool. Okay, we're ready. We just need to wait for that chicken to finish and then we'll plate up. Tasty carrot too. Hey there, if you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon below to make sure you get all the latest from us, and give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. It really helps out our channel and we so appreciate you. Also, check out tkfoodie.com. You never know what you might be missing on our site, tkfoodie.com. These are out of my air fryer and kind of smoldering hot actually right now. But let's plate up. Oh, that looks so good. And then just some of this salad on top. Wow, and those beautiful purple carrots just really set it off. And then, because I think crispy chicken and salad like this deserves some Parmesan cheese, I usually have a wedge in the fridge. Let's just shave a little bit on here. Oh yeah. Very nice. Can you see how I'm gonna hold this so it doesn't slide off while I'm trying to show you how utterly delicious that looks. I'm excited to finally have tried this trend. Trying to figure out where I want to cut. Let's cut right here. Oh wow. Oh, this chicken is so tender. So I pounded it to death and then I cooked it nice and crispy. Let's get a little bit of the salad in there with the chicken and a wee bit of parm. Okay. Okay, yeah. This is divine. This is so utterly delicious. Excuse me for talking with my mouth full. Crispy, savory chicken. I even get that little hint of lemon that I've put in there with the lemon zest. And having that fresh, crunchy salad on top of it. It's crisp with crunch on top and some Parm cheese because I love a little bit of salt at the end to finish it all off. This is absolutely fabulous. You have got to try this. It's very, very easy. If you don't have an air fryer, you can do it in a skillet, but just pound those chicken breasts out, coat them however you want, and serve your favorite salad on top. Check out this easy recipe. I'm gonna have it on tkfoodie.com.